I want to show you how to hook up Claude code to Strudel and work with that. So in the last video, I showed how you can use the LLMs from OpenRouter to hook up to Strudel and edit Strudel code together with an LLM. And so this time, I want to show how that same process works if you're using Claude Code. It turns out that this is a little bit more difficult because you have to run an MCP server that has the Strudel MCP tools, but also you have to somewhere run a web page that has the Strudel editor on it. So that's what I'm doing over here on the left-hand side. I'm running this web page right here, which has a Strudel editor running here, and then this is also connected to the MCP that we're going to connect up over here, and they run on the same server. The web page that's running here is supported by the same server that runs the MCP that talks to Claude. So once you're on this URL, and I'll paste the URL in the description below, it gives you a session ID, and the purpose of the session ID is so that you can give it to Claude Code once that's running, so that Claude Code knows how to access this particular page. So since this is a web server, there could be more than one page on this site, and so Claude has to know which one to send the message to for the tools. So over here, here's the command line that installs the SSE server that's at the same address as over here, but instead of /strudel, it's /SSE. So if you run this code right here in the command line, it'll install that server address, and so that when Claude runs, it'll find that MCP and hook up to it. So now let's say, maybe I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so now let's say Claude, and run that. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so let's go and look at the MCPs. So now it has found the Strudel-MCP server. That's great. Let's see what kind of tools it has. So there's a play code, and what play code does is pass some code over to this little Strudel editor window over here and play it. So if you hit the play button, you'll see, so there's a little code executing. You can stop it. This is just like in my previous video, no different, except that this page is being hosted in a different place now. There's also a stop play as well. If you go back over here, there's also a stop play. There's a get status. There's a get currently playing code. So if it needs to get the code and look at it. It also has some tools down here to get references from the docs. So that's also included in the MCP server. Usually for Claude, you don't have to tell it which of these to call. It'll just kind of figure it out. But play code is the thing that you want to use, and if you tell it to stop, it'll call this one. And it can also, once you change the code over here, it can get the currently playing code. So you can ask it those three things: play the code, stop the code, and get the currently playing code. So in order to make this work, you have to pass it this session ID over here. So copy. Let's just see if this works. Oh, it's waiting for some kind of input or something. Okay, so for you to use. Okay, so let's say yeah. Okay, so that's the session ID. It has that. And so let's see, it's asking me, do you want to play some code patterns? Do you want to search for specific functions? Let's see a few examples. Can you play each example for 3 seconds? Okay, so it turns out that Claude Code has the ability to kind of wait if you need it to. It can call a bash command that will make it wait, and so it can kind of perform in a loop. And so this is great for kind of, if you want it just to be your kind of, DJ, it can pick different compositions and play them for you. So let's see how that looks. All right, so it's found a few, and it may have gone to the documentation to do that. Here it is playing the code, so that's fine. Okay. Let's see what it's telling me. Oh, it's sleeping for 3 seconds, and now it's playing the second example, and that's nice. So now it's sleeping again, and here comes the next one. Good. I don't know how many it's going to play. Did I ask it to play a certain number? Okay, so each time it's passing that, you can see it's passing the session ID over there so that it knows which web page to kind of contact. Okay, so it played like 5 or something like that, 4 different examples. Okay, so let's take a look at basic drums. Let's see. Okay, so can you describe how to enhance this? Oh, is it playing a bunch of examples? Yeah, let's stop it. Okay, so can you describe how to enhance this with some sub sequences and some choice angle brackets? Okay, so I happen to know that subsequences are square brackets and choices are angle brackets. So let's see. Oh, did it already do that? Oh no, here it goes. Okay, so there's the subsequences. I don't know why it's sleeping 4 seconds in between, but okay. And there's the choice, right? The SD, REM, and then CP are a choice each time it goes through the cycle like that. Okay, so sleeping 8. It's just kind of making up how long to sleep for. So can you show how to add a piano instrument to this so it complements it? All right. Great. I guess there's some rest there. You can see some rest there, right? Okay. What other? Oh no! It's making more changes. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna tell wait for me each time. Don't keep going. Okay, let's see. So can you add, oh, you can keep playing it. I don't know why I stopped it. Keep playing it. Okay, so can you add a guitar instrument to this that has some melody to it that matches what we have so far? Okay, let's see. Usually if I just ask it for suggestions, it's pretty good at kind of giving you something that sort of matches. I don't know why we're not hearing that. Oh, because there's probably no guitar. We are not hearing it. Can you use something other than, I don't think it's that particular instrument is called guitar. Okay. There we go, a little better. Okay. So now can you put in some subsequences in that last instrument? I don't know if you'll know what that is or what I mean. Oh yeah, good. It's a little, oh, can we change the octave of the sawtooth? Oh, too high. Now go lower. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So can we make some small changes to each instrument and morph the composition slightly. Okay, so when I was working with it before, it kept calling this active, like tweaking the parameters, morphing it. So great. Okay, good. Oh, I like the way it sounds. Actually, good. Okay, so can you do that again? Also, make changes to the various param gains, let's see, gains, and other settings using choices like, so I know if I, 0.9, if I put in sort of different values for it like that, like if I want the gain to be different on different cycles through, I can kind of use it with strings like this to see if it understands what I mean by this. You did? You got it. Okay. Make it a little louder. Good, yeah, that's good, yeah. Okay, so as it's going through, like for the gain over here, the first time through it picks a gain of 1.2 and then it's 1.6. Okay, let's make the sawtooth a little more prominent. I don't even know what I mean by prominent. Louder, maybe? Let's see what it is. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so can you add some, how about some echoes, or I don't know what I want to say exactly. Oh, can you use the .off function? So this is something that makes like an offset copy of whatever it is you're kind of use it on. So let's see somewhere and choose some nice values for that. Okay, I don't know what I want to ask for, but let's see if it knows what the offset function. Where did it go? Did it put it on the sawtooth? I don't think it did. Oh yeah, it does. So take it out so we can compare. Oh, I hear it. I think I hear it. Okay, put it back. Maybe I'm just hearing things. Put it back. I don't know if I hear it actually. Oh, wait a minute. Let's make it bigger over here. About 1/2. Maybe I hear it. What if I put in the offset of 0? Will it just like go back to normal? Now I've messed up the code. Can you get the code? Okay. Yes, of course, you can do that. Okay, so let's add in some, what else do we have? What else do we want? Some guitar. So that it complements. That thing playing that nice kind of, it's not the sawtooth, it's the piano. Okay. it doesn't match. Can you try to get it to match the piano more? I don't know, complement the piano more? Well, now it's exactly matching, right? Okay, but now make the notes with some subsequences and choices in the guitar. Ooh, nice. I think it's nice. I mean, yeah, I can hear it there. Make the guitar louder. I like what you did. Even louder, I like it. One more. It does cut through, yeah. Okay, so that's about it. Let's quit here. You get the idea. Yay!